Welcome, welcome, welcome. I've got Happy Mail. Happy Mail. Yes, I do. Let's see what we've got in our packages. Come along and join me while we unpack what we've got in our, we've got 3 packages. This one's heavy and big. We're going to see what they are. Alrighty. I kind of know what's in them. Do. These are some shirts that I ordered with the new logo on them. Have not seen them. The first 2 I ordered were a total disaster. And I sent those back. Well, I didn't send them back, but I refused them. It's pink. Yes. Oh, I love it. Look. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, you all. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Love, 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 love it. Okay, these are going to be available. You all got to give me a few days to get them in, to get that store ready, okay? Let's see what this one looks like. It's a bright pink. Oh, this one's pretty too. Look at this one. Look at that one. The first time this didn't come out at all. You couldn't see it. The pinks looked blue. The colors were not right. But this one is pretty too. The very pale green with this. Look at them. And we'll have stickers that look like this. Yes. And we can put them on hat. You can do all kinds of things. I love it. Sweatshirts, t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts. Those are my 3 big ones. Short sleeve, long sleeve t-shirts, and sweatshirts. All comfort colors. If you all do not want the comfort colors and want a cheaper shirt, let me know. I can always pop those in there. Easy peasy. So if you're not interested in the comfort colors is 100% cotton. That's what I like. That's what I love. And these shirts are amazing. Amazing. I am so thrilled with these. Thrilled beyond measure with these 2 shirts. This is a size extra large, which I like my t-shirts big. So I always buy an extra large. But I love them. They turned out so cute. So, so cute. And the stickers will not come off. I've run this through the dishwasher 2 or 3 times. This is just my Stanley, and there's a sticker on it. So if you want a cup, order you a sticker. And buy you a cup. Oh, I'm just tickled to death with those shirts, you all. Can't wait to start wearing them, although we've had some cool days. But today it is sweltering hot and humid out the wazoo. It is so humid today and so hot, and it is just unbearable outside. And the lawnmowers quit again. The mister said the mowers quit again. I said, well, oh Lord. And y'all, we mow so much. I wish y'all could see everything that we have to mow out here on the farm. And we have quite a bit that we mow. And then, of course, we've got the hay fields. But we've got 2 yards that have to be mowed. And they're both big yards. So I guess we're just going to let it grow up till it gets the lawnmower fixed again. Let's see what this is. This is fabric, but I don't remember what any of it is. I do not. But it's pretty. It's so pretty. I think these are all 1 yard cuts, you all, if I remember correctly. I don't want to cut down any of this too deep because I don't want to cut my fabric. Maybe I can do this. She's got it wrapped so well. All right, now then I can get it open. Oh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty fabrics. Look at these. Oh my goodness, look at this one. I got this for our hip hop. Mr. Hip Hop, I thought we could cut out these flowers, would be pretty in him. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Oh, and here's a little print. It says Playtime, Riley Blake Designs, Playtime 30s. This will be pretty in our Alice's quilt. Yes, it will. Look at that one. Oh, and here's one. I could have used this one a minute ago in something I was doing. This is just a dark bluish gray on a cream background. It's not really white. I don't know if it's showing up cream or white for you all, but it's kind of a cream colored background. I don't know what this piece is. Oh, and this piece I bought specifically for this. And it'll be perfect. Look at that. I'm going to put dish towel loops on that towel. Won't that be perfect for that? I'll make those for my daughter's new place. And this is just a batik, because I love batik fabrics. I'm sure it's a batik. Yes, it is. It's dyed all the way through. Of course, y'all know I love pink and green. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, I might have gotten 2 yards of this because I love pink and green. I love that one. Oh, and here's another pretty one. This will probably go in our Alice's quilt. There's one particular fabric that's got a darker reddish burgundy background. Well, I gotta have a drink. I'm about to lose my voice. Okay, still kind of froggy. But this one may go in our Alice's quilt. Here's another one that I thought I could put loops on these little towels with. Isn't that pretty? In her kitchen, she's just using neutral colors, you all. Oh, look at this one. This is another Riley Blake. Look at all the different flowers in this one, you all. Look at all the different flowers. I love it. Of course, daisies are one of my favorite flowers. Here's another one with lots of flowers for Mr. Hip Hop. I guess that's what I had in my head when I was looking at these. But I ordered them, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago. And y'all, I order something as soon as I hit click and pay. I don't remember what I ordered. Are y'all that way? So when it comes, it's like Christmas all over again. Look at this one. Those will be pretty. Oh, here's another one. Look at this one. Is that the same as this one? It is, but it's a different color. It's a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter. Oh, and look at that one. That's a real pretty print. It might go in our Alice's quilt. Oh, and look at these. I love this one. Look at that. Well, I ordered these off of a girl on Facebook. This one's just beige and red. I ordered them off a girl on Facebook. There are tons of fabric de-stash or sewing notions or things like that. There's tons of those groups on Facebook. I do not know what group this was in because I'm in so many of those groups. That's where I've gotten a lot of my Tilda Pink fabrics. But a lot of times you can buy things a lot cheaper there than you can from just your normal avenues of your online quilt shops, because they may have a sale section, but a lot of times maybe you don't get a really good photo, or you can't really just ask a simple question or whatever. It's a little more difficult that way. I love the Facebook groups. I've ordered from this girl, I don't know, several different times. I've bought fabrics from her over the course of a year, I guess. But like I said, hers are usually $5, $6, $7 a yard. Some may be more, some may be a little less. I don't know. But if you can buy a yard for $7 as opposed to a half a yard for $7.50 or even $6, it's still a better deal, because you get a little bit more fabric that way. And especially if you're just trying to build up your stash so that you can sit down in your sewing space and start to create and get your mind going, what can I make this out of? And not have to jump and run to the store to buy a little piece of fabric every time you want to do something. This is a good way to do it. Is on Facebook. It's just Facebook, and under groups, search sewing, search fabric destashing, or sewing destashing, because a lot of times people will say, I just bought too much, or I need to downsize my stash, or I'm moving, or maybe somebody's mother passed away and they're just trying to get rid of and get the best that they can for the fabrics that mom had in her sewing room. There's a lot of that as well goes on Facebook. So, but like I said, you can find lots of good deals there, and you can see what I got, and it was less than $100. I know it was maybe 71. Let's see, I think there's 2 yards of that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 16 yards of fabric I got. 16 yards, and it was less than $100. So, that's pretty good. If you're buying 16 yards at $16 a yard, that's a lot more than this. My mind won't do the math that fast. But these are so pretty. These are perfect for, like I said, these towels that I want to do for my daughter. And I've also got this. I thought I would do a couple of them with this. This is a heavier, I think this came from Joann's, but it's more of a canvasy fabric. But I thought they would be cute in theirs because they're coffee oriented. And I might put, might applique a coffee cup or something on the bottom of something. There's going to be 5 plain towels. Well, I bought these last year at Home Goods or TJ Maxx 1, because that's what that tag is, and that's where I buy all of my stuff like that. All of my stuff like that comes from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. It always does. All right. So you'll see this side doesn't have anything, but it kind of looks like little coffee beans in a way. So I might applique a little something on that one. This one's pretty little flowers. And one side's got a pretty detail on the bottom and the other one doesn't. And it's just plain. But when you make those loop towels, you only use half a towel. So, they're going to be so cute. So cute. And this one's just plain polka dots with the pretty trim on one side and the plain on the other. So, we can maybe applique something on them. Kitchen oriented or something for the girls. So they have something pretty in their kitchen. It's their first apartment and they are living their best life. They are. They're just having all kinds of fun, going out, doing things they want to do before They get married, settle down. They both got real world jobs, I will say. They're not just out floundering about. They have good jobs. And so we're going to make these towels in a little bit. And I think I'll make some for Christmas too, but that's not yet because I'm not in Christmas mode quite yet. And I know I should be because I know a lot of you all are already in Christmas mode, but my brain doesn't flip to Christmas at least till the weather cools off a little bit. And it is over 90 degrees here today. I'm going to tell you how hot it is. It's 88 degrees right now, and humidity is like out the wazoo. So it is very hot here today. I've got fans going, air conditioner going. It's all going, but it is hot. It is. So, but I'm tickled with my purchases. And my shirts, you all, I am absolutely in love with these shirts. I am in love with them. They turned out so well. So well. So, SCW, so well. Look at it. Don't you just love it? Don't you want one? You need one. I think they're so cute. So now we have some merch for my channel. We have the new logo for the channel. And I picked what I thought were the best colors for each design. With this light pink with the dark pink and the green. I love the dark pink. I think this one is called watermelon maybe. And this is maybe just pink. I don't know. I love it. Love, 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 love it. Can y'all see it? I want y'all to be able to see the whole thing. Now you can see it. Now, I'll stick my head under here. Now you can see it. Look at it. Don't you just love it? I do. I do. I'm in love with it. So these you'll be seeing me wear in future videos. Yes, you will. And I'm also trying to design some just kind of generic, cute little sewing t-shirts because there's not a lot out there. There are some, but I don't know the quality of them. These I will know the quality of. And I will know that it's a comfort color shirt. And I will know that the printing is a good quality printing and it's not printed in China where it's going to come off after you wash it a time or two. Okay? These are all done here in the United States, I think. I'm pretty sure they are. That's what we want. So therefore we don't have to pay a tariff on it. Because we don't like to have to pay tariffs. But there's our shirts, our fabric. This was a quick, short video, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. I do. Go buy you a shirt. Go online and buy you a shirt. Woohoo! And I'm going to add some other things, some mugs, if you want a coffee mug, or if you want, I don't know what all's available. I can't remember. All kinds of stuff. But like I said, if you want a cheaper shirt than the comfort colors, I can get that, but y'all need to let me know. Otherwise, I'm leaving it strictly comfort colors apparel all the way around. And if you want kid sizes, let me know that as well. I can add those in there in just a minute. Okay? So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.